Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows corrupted files. Let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to Start, and then here we're going to type cmd, and we right click on this command prompt and make sure run is as administrator, otherwise this will not work, so make sure it's as administrator. As we can see here, it says administrator. And now the first command we have to type is first of all of these commands will be in the description of the video. So the first one is sfc, then space, then / scan now, and we press on enter, and we're gonna wait for this to finish. As you can see here, the verification has started, and just wait for this to finish until it's 100%. Now, if for some reason this sfc scannow is not working, then you need to type this command. This command will be as well in the description below. So I'm just gonna paste it here. So this is the one, DISM online cleanup image / RestoreHealth, and this will restore your health from internet. So it will try to search from internet and restore. So press on enter, and once again we have to wait for this to finish, and after the process is 100%, then again you will type the sfc / scan now after this has been finished. So after this is 100%, then you type again sfc / scan now. I'm not gonna do that because I already did it, and it will take like 20 to 30 minutes. So that's why I'm just gonna show you what you need to do. So after this has been completed, if for some reason the sfc is not working, then after this completed 100%, then you need to enter the sfc again, the first command that I showed you. So thank you so much for watching. So you just have to wait and be patient, and it should be fixed. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next video. Bye.